Hello everyone, this is Shahabaz here. Welcome to Gurudevacademy. Today we are looking one of the magical concept called as cross multiplication method here. So this is a method where you will be only cross multiplying and many of the questions can be solved in within seconds now. First we'll start with the first question. The ratio of the amounts with Ajay and Vijay is in the ratio 3:7. If Vijay gives 1000 rupees to Ajay, then the ratio of the amounts with Ajay and Vijay becomes 2:3. Then find the initial amount of Ajay. First we'll understand the basic concept, then we'll go with the cross multiplication. So what is given here? Ajay and Vijay, some amount are there, they are having in the ratio 3:7 here. So can I tell that Ajay was having 3x rupees and Vijay was having 7x rupees. Vijay is giving 1000 rupees to Ajay. When Vijay is giving 1000 rupees to Ajay, so can I tell that now Vijay will be having 7x minus 1000 and Ajay will be having 3x plus how much it is? 1000 here. Now the ratio of Ajay and Vijay is given as 2:3. That means these two will be in the ratio 2:3 here. So can I tell that I will have an equation which tells that 3x plus 1000, okay, whole divided by 7x minus 1000 will be equals to 2 divided by 3 here. Now I will cross multiply. Cross multiply this into this. 3 3s are 9x plus 3000, which is equals to 7 2s are 14x. 14x minus how much it is? 2000. Now he will come here and he will go there. Okay, what is 14x minus 9x here? It is nothing but 5x here. 5x is equals to 2000 is going there. 2000 plus 3000 will be 5000. So 5 ones are 5, how much are thousands are? X is equals to how much it is? 1000. The question is find the initial amount with Ajay. What was the initial amount with Ajay taken here? 3x. 3 into 1000, the answer will be how much here? 3000 will be the answer for this question. So my answer will be option number B here. Okay. If you observe here, whenever, see, I am taking 2000 here, 2000 is been added here. Okay. Understand the point that here it is plus and here it is minus. Plus and minus are there. I will be adding the things now. Okay. Now we'll understand what is cross multiplication thing here. So in cross multiplication, what we'll be doing here is, first we'll be writing the ratios here. Ajay and Vijay. What was the ratio of initial amount here? 3:7. When something has been added and something has been subtracted, the ratio is becoming how much here? 2:3. For Ajay it has been added, for Vijay it has been subtracted. So this will be plus 1000 here and this will be minus 1000 here. See, observe here, one is plus and one is minus. Here you will be adding the things here. If both the signs are same, you will be subtracting. If both the same signs are not same, you will be adding here. Okay. First thing what I will do, I will cross multiply here. This into this into this. 3 3s are 9. 7 2s are 14. What is the difference between 14 and 9 here? It is nothing but 5 here. Everyone is getting my point here. 7 2s are 14. 3 3s are 9. 14 and 9 difference will be 5. And the next step what I will be doing, I will be cross multiplying here. And both the signs are different. I will be adding the things now. 1000 into 2, 2000. 3 into 1000, 3000. 2000 plus 3000 will be how much here? 5000. That means 1 5 unit will be equals to how much here? 5000. So 5 unit is 5000. What is the, what was the question here? What is the amount initial with Ajay? Ajay initial amount will be how much here? 3. Apply the rule for only the first ratio. That is 5 is 5000. 3 is what means? It is nothing but how much here? 3000. So my answer will be option number B. I think everyone got the point here. There is one ratio and something is added and something is subtracted, or something is added to both of the things and the new ratio is coming. We'll be going with a cross multiplication method here. Okay. If I go with the next concept, the ratio of the present ages of A and B is 7:6 here. So present ages of A and B are in the ratio 7:6. The ratio of age of A 6 years hence and the age of B 4 years ago is 3:2. See, A is going in the future and B is going in the past year. That means A has been added and B has been subtracted and the new ratio is becoming how much here? 3:2. I can use the cross multiplication method here. So A is going plus 6 and B is going how much here? 4 years ago. See, one is plus and one is minus. I will be adding the things now. When the signs are same, I will be subtracting. When the signs are different, I will be adding. Now, cross multiply. 7 2s are 14, 6 3s are 18. What is the difference between 18 and 14? That is 4. 18 and 14, the difference is 4 here. That 4 will be equals to something here. What is that something? 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 into 4 is 12. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 12 it is 24. That means 4 value will be equals to how much it is? 24. What is the question he is asking here? What is the percentage of A? The percentage of A is nothing but 7 here. So can I tell that 4 value it is 24, 7 value is equals to what here? If I cross multiply or if I cancel here, 4 1s are 4, how much are 6 are x into 1 x, 7 into 6, my answer will be 42. So what is the percentage of A here? 42. Option number A will be the correct option. I think everyone is getting the cross multiplication method here. Something is been added and something is been subtracted. I will be going with this method. Okay. We'll solve the next question now. Coming to the fourth question. What is the question? Ajay and Vijay have their monthly incomes in the ratio 8:5. Ajay and Vijay, their monthly incomes are in the ratio 8:5. While their monthly expenditures are in the ratio 5:3. Okay. Monthly expenditures are in the ratio 5:3. You should know one point, that income is nothing but expenditure plus saving. Income is nothing but expenditure plus saving. That means, can I tell that saving is nothing but income minus expenditure? Yes, everyone. What is expenditure? Expenditure is also income minus what it is? Saving here. Now, read the question once again. So, incomes of Ajay and Vijay are in the ratio 8:5 and their expenditures are in the ratio 5:3. If they saved 1,200 and 1,000 monthly respectively, that means A is saving 1,000 rupees, 1,200, and B is saving, that is Vijay is saving 1,000 rupees here. This is minus here. Can I tell that this is minus and this is minus? Because income minus saving will be expenditure. Income minus saving will be expenditure here. Now both the signs are same here. That will be subtracted here. So then find the income of Vijay here. So how I can do? Find the income of Vijay means I should find the value of 5 here. Now cross multiply. 8 3s are 24 and 5 5s are 25. 24 and 25, the gap is 1 here. The gap is 1. 1 value will be equals to how much I should find? How to find? 5 into 1000 will be 5000. 1000 into 3 will be 3600. So this is 5000 and this is how much here? 3600. The gap between both of them. Why am I telling a gap here? It is having the same sign. I will be subtracting. The gap will be 1400. So one value is 1400. He is asking what was the income of Vijay. Income of Vijay will be 5 here. Yes, one value is 1400. 5 value will be equals to x here. If I cross multiply 1400 into 5, the answer will be how much here? 7000. The answer will be option number A here. I think everyone got the concept here. Okay. Now going to the next one now. Now, before a battle, the ratio of the tanks to the plane in an army was 5:3. During the war, 1000 tanks were destroyed and 800 planes were destroyed. The ratio of the tanks to the plane becomes 2:1. What is the number of tanks after the war here? So I think this was the question which was asked in SSC. Okay. Now, if you observe here, it is same as the last question. Incomes are in the ratio something and expenditures are in the ratio something. Something is been subtracted. That means saving was subtracted. In the same way, here 1000 rupees and 8000 rupees is same as their what do you say that saving. If I am subtracting the saving here, the same thing here. So can I tell that tanks and planes were in the ratio 5:3 and something is been subtracted and subtracted, the ratio is becoming 2:1. What is been subtracted here? 1000 rupees is subtracted here and what is that? 800 is subtracted here. How many number of tanks are there after war here? If I find before war, how many are there? If I subtract, I will get the answer for that. If I cross multiply in the same way, 5 1s are 5, 3 2s are 6. 5 minus 6 will be how much here? 1. I should find the value of 1 point here. So how I will find? This into this, this into this. 8 into 2 will be 1600 and 1000 into 1 will be how much here? 1000. Shall I take a difference or shall I take the, shall I add here? Both the signs are same. I should take the difference. 1600 minus 1000 will be how much here? 600. So he is asking about the tanks here. How much initial tanks were there? 5. So one value is 600, 5 value will be how much here? Cross multiply here, 1 into x, this into this will be how much here? 3000 will be the tanks before the war. Now, but he is asking how many tanks are there after the war? How many tanks are been destroyed? 1000 tanks are been destroyed. 3000 minus 1000, my answer will be 2000. My answer will be option number C here. I think everyone got the concept here. Now, how when I should use this cross multiply? When something ratio is been given, something addition or subtraction, or both addition are there, both subtractions are there, I am getting a new ratio, you can use the cross multiplication method here. Okay. If I go with the next question, question number 3 here. Ajay sold an article at 40% loss. Okay. What is the meaning of 40%? What is the meaning of 20%? 20% is nothing but 1 by 5 and 40% is a double of this, which is nothing but 2 by 5. Whenever I am selling something at profit, if the cost price of 20%, if I am selling something at 20% profit, if the cost price is 5, I will be taking 1 rupee profit. My ratio of cost price and selling price will be 5:6. Whenever I am selling something at loss, if it is 20% loss, if I am bringing something at 5 rupees, 1 rupee loss, I will be selling at 4 rupees. That will be the ratio of cost price and selling price. Now read the question. And Ajay sold an article at 40% loss. If he had bought it 150 rupees more, that means selling price is more here, okay, and sold it at 190 rupees more, and that means selling price is also more here, okay, the loss would have been only 20%. Then find the initial cost price of the article. It is the same question. As for one ratio something has been added, for other ratio something has been added, the new ratio is coming, so I should find the cost price initially. So what I can do here, I can go with the cost price and selling price ratio. First there was 40% loss. 40% loss means if 5 was there, 5 was the cost price, 2 rupees loss was there, the ratio would have been 5 to how much it is? 3. Okay. Now the next is, if he has sold at 20% loss means if 5 was the cost price, 1 rupee is the loss, the ratio of the cost price and selling price was how much? 5:4. For cost price it has been added, and for selling price it has been added now. For cost price it has been added of 150, and for selling price it is added with 190. So both additions are there. That means both the signs are what here? Same. I should take the difference now. Okay. Cross multiply. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. 20 minus 15. That is the difference is how much here? 5. For 5, how much value is there? If I want to find this into this, this into this, 9 into 5 will be 19 into 5 will be 950, and the gap, this is how much? This into this will be 600. 950 minus 600, this is nothing but how much? 350 here. So 5 value is 350. What is the cost price of the article initially? Means it is 5 itself. What is the value of 5? 350. My answer will be how much here? Option number C, 350. I think everyone got to know where am I using, where can we use the cross multiplication rule. Okay. If you like the session, please share the session, subscribe to Gurudev Academy, so that if you are liking the session, please comment in the comment box so that we can bring more videos for that. Thank you everyone. This was Shahabaz here. Thank you.